As you guys can probably tell by the title of this video, we have some very unfortunate news.
Dude, I think you're lying, dude. There's no noise. Oh.
This is a video I did not want to make at all. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have lost my voice, so I'm sorry if I cannot talk in this video. I got Brett coming over, and we're gonna try and look a little deeper into this, get the oil drained, go on another little test drive, so that way I can actually have my camera and show you guys, because I wasn't preparing to vlog or even make this video. I'm hoping that it's not what I think it is, but I have a bad feeling that this car is going to be down for a while. DGM Rex is here.
Stancy?
I need some backup. That way when we find out how bad this really is, I don't just crash out and fucking burn the car. I'm interrupting this video for a good reason. I've been wanting to do merch for a very long time, and I've never known when the right time is, and I figured there's no better time than right now. So you guys are gonna see on the screen, I am officially releasing my first ever merch. I've spent some time picking out samples and trying to find the right blanks and perfecting the design. The design you guys see on the screen, I'm gonna have for pre-order. I'm probably gonna pre-order for probably about 2 weeks, take all the orders and order and get it shipped out to all you guys. You guys hit me up on Instagram. That's probably gonna be the main place where I'm taking orders. I really wanna get a website put together eventually, but that probably won't be until later releases. There'll be a little delay on shipping because I'm doing a pre-order, so I'm gonna get all the orders in the next couple weeks and then order everything in bulk and ship it out to you guys. This is the perfect t-shirt to have, especially with Halloween right around the corner. If you guys like the things I do on YouTube and social media, make sure you guys cop yourself a shirt. So if you guys wanna get an order with this, I'm gonna put my Instagram right here on the screen. It's at Stancy.Anthony. All right, we're gonna get this thing started. Go on a little test drive, that way I can show Brett what it's doing and not just send him videos. But hopefully it makes the noise still. Well, not hopefully. Hopefully it doesn't, but I'm sure it's still going to. We're gonna let this warm up for a little bit and then take it on a little drive, and I'm sure it's gonna make the noise again because it did the same thing yesterday. You don't hear it unless you're actually starting to drive it or get into RPMs. Man, this sucks with no voice. I cannot talk. Hey, where you at?
Oh, he's under the chat. Oh, there he goes. He had a little mouse under there. Oh, now he's under here.
What?
You backed up the car and he just darted.
Dude, I got friends in here. Hey, I knew someone's been watching me up here. That's what's fucked up on this thing.
Maybe he's in there. I think you're lying, dude. There's no noise. Oh. Dude, it sounds head. That's worse. You can really feel it. Put your hand on the valve cover.
That's worse. It's not the noise. Yo, this is it recording?
Yeah.
This is a totally different noise. I swear it was coming from the bottom than yesterday. I'm gonna put some videos in to kind of show you guys what we were hearing yesterday, but
yeah, you can. At least something's hitting like the valve cover.
I wonder if it jumped time yesterday.
How hard is this to pop off? There's lots of different noises coming from this thing.
So yesterday we had more of like a bottom end noise. The noise today is totally different and it sounds definitely on the top.
I don't know.
It's weird, but it definitely does not sound good, whatever it is. On the what? Valve cover. It's worse. Rip. Yeah, it's way worse today than it was yesterday. Whoa. Yeah, definitely sounds like it's nailing the screwdriver. So maybe it is top end. So I guess either A, do we do like a built motor, 2JZ, or an LS? So we decided to scratch the test drive. He's heard enough. We're gonna take the valve cover off per Rex's recommendation before we go draining the oil and stuff, just to kind of see if we could see any damages. I'm gonna be honest, this might be the most neglected.
Hey, hold on, wait, why did it blow up?
I did oil.
He's like, yeah, I don't drive it, so I don't do maintenance.
That's kind of how it goes. Dude, these are fucking sick. I'm stealing DGM Rex's Meta glasses. Am I gonna be able to get the footage from these?
Yeah, I'll send it.
All right, let me know if you guys think I should buy myself a pair for content. Dang it. Fuck, another one. Okay, we got two bigger ones. So after having the valve cover and everything off, we have not yet found anything that's like of concern. So we're gonna move on to draining the oil. And I kind of hope we just see a glitter party, but like I really don't.
Oh yeah, that's one way to do it.
I don't.
At first I would have done fucking one of them magnets and put it next
Right,
to
I
it.
was waiting for him to grab the magnet, but he
I
just...
don't have a magnet. That's
I
why.
have one.
Oh.
You should have said so. You like came to my house and used one, Stancy. You asked
Dude,
for it.
I figured if I put my hand in, I'd at least be able to see it.
Do you have a light? Or
Got
no?
soft hands, brother. And
Bro.
they don't appear to have disco party.
No. I don't know how well you guys can see on camera. I guess we're also not testing it the best way we could.
Yeah,
but I mean, I feel like if it was bad enough, I would be seeing it all over
YouTube
my hand.
mechanic here.
How you gonna throw those? That was a
I know, well I know, I almost fell.
There's a whole.
Oh yeah, Bandit dug that.
I started backpedaling and I almost saw my life flash.
Oh.
Why would you do that?
I wasn't thinking.
Alright, time out.
You beat at home or something.
Let's see. Let's see.
I don't know how well you guys can see in the bottom.
Oh, bearing. There's bearing material all in the bottom of the filter.
You guys can probably kind of see it. Put a flashlight in there.
Oh yeah.
See?
See, we'll get the flashlight in there.
Oh yeah, he got it good. Dang, son.
So it's some pretty unfortunate news, but just because we're kind of curious, we want to dump out the filter, even though I just showed you guys. There's all kinds of like copper, bronze, metal all throughout the filter. It's all in here. I don't know how well you guys can see it on camera, but if you can't see it then, you're about to see it now.
Oh.
Yeah, there it is.
So.
That whole filter is covered. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Look in there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. There's the glitter party. All in the bottom of the filter. That's crazy.
Sounded top end for a little bit.
Yeah.
She's good.
Not too sure, but it's definitely main bearing, rod bearing, somewhere along those lines. So, sounds like this motor is getting built or the car is getting swapped. This is just crazy to me. I've never had like a motor blow up on me. But like just seeing how much material is really in all this, it definitely sucks for sure. But you gotta keep moving on. Right, Rex?
Yep.
What I don't get though, hold on, is I drive, everyone says I drive like a grandpa. All these other people drive like race car drivers.
Beat the shit out of my car, and then this thing decides to blow up. Like it's babied constantly.
It's fucked up. I rip on it one time I drive it. This car actually only has 89,000 miles on it. And I kept up on most of the maintenance. Spark plugs were kind of due for some, but as far as oil change and stuff, I mean, I kept up on all that stuff. I really barely drove this car, honestly. Besides maybe like 1,000 miles, most, max. Like a year, not even 1,000, maybe 500 a year. I did not drive this thing at all. So it's kind of crazy to see this is the first car I've ever owned that blows up.
It's like nice car too.
Look, dude, I literally have a Subaru right there. That's the thing that should be blowing up.
Dude, this is the reliable unit. How many miles are on this?
116. But the car is probably going to be down for quite a while. Kind of sucks because this is like my only drivable fun car. All the rest are all projects that you guys have been watching me build. But it sounds like it's time to go like full send into these, the WRX and the FRS. So I can actually have a fun car to drive again. And hope those ones don't blow up because they're Subarus. Put a rip down in the comments for the old Jenny. My voice is like going out. That's going to be all for tonight, but I'm going to pick this back up tomorrow. So unfortunately, I never did end up picking it back up. This all happened right before mine and Kayla's big day. We are officially married. We had a nice vacation at Destination Wedding down in Florida. So if you guys want to support my videos, the best way to do it is share them, hit the like button, and if you guys aren't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stick around and stay Stancy. I will see you guys in the next one. Also, if you guys want to get your t-shirt orders in, don't forget to hit me up on Instagram and get your guys' order in before it's too late. This is going to be a very limited run.